Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu says that Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu said to Hazrat Sulaim, Hazrat Anas' mother, I have noticed weakness in the Prophet's voice, and I think he is hungry. Do you have anything to eat? She replied in the positive and brought out some barley loaves. Then took out a head covering of hers, in part of which she wrapped up the loaves. Then she entrusted the loaves to me, wrapped the remaining part around me, and sent me towards Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When I took him the loaves, I found Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the masjid, accompanied by people. I stood by them. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked me, Abu Talha has sent you? I replied, yes. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, with food? I replied, yes. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to his companions, get up, and then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam set off. I walked ahead of them and notified Hazrat Abu Talha. Hazrat Abu Talha said, O Sulaim, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam is coming along with the people, and we have nothing, not enough to give them to eat. She submitted, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know the best. So Hazrat Abu Talha proceeded to welcome Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam till he met Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, accompanied by Abu Talha, came to his house and then said, O Sulaim, bring what you have. She brought those loaves. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then ordered to crumble the bread, and Hazrat Sulaim squeezed all the ghee out of the skin. Then Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam uttered thereon what Allah Jalla Jalaluhu willed. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, permit 10 to eat. So they were permitted. So they ate their fill and went away. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, call 10 more to eat. So they were called. They too ate their fill and went away. Then again he sallallahu alaihi wasallam ordered to summon 10, and thus all the people ate and got satiated. They all numbered 70 or 80. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3578.